So I want to talk about the reason why I don't fit, well, try not to fit refurb screens off eBay and Alibaba and AliExpress. Basically, they have these little spring clips on them, which are very similar to the, if anyone ever worked on the 2008 MacBook Air, these little things used to pop off and short out the board and used to get really loose hinges on them. It was the first MacBook Air and it was an absolute nightmare. These refurb screens have got a very similar hinge design. If we look at an original Apple one, it's much tougher, and it's got some extra clips around the front of it. So that's why these ones, I've never seen one of these fail. These are dropping like flies, the replacement screens. So this is the reason why I'm changing panels in original screens. So you don't have the ALS problems, they don't have the webcam problems, and they don't have these hinges.